JILoffice Whiteboard and Bulletin Corkboard Combination, Combo Board 48x36 Magnetic Whiteboard, Black Aluminum Frame Wall-Mounted Board for Office, Home and School with 10 push pins. Smooth and durable magnetic performance. Combination board has two sides. Magnetic surface of the combination whiteboard is easy for writing, drawing and learning. The cork surface of the combination board is easy to put notes, pages, duocuments, photos, graphs and cards on. Suitable for classroom, home and playroom. Anti-scratch satin black aluminum frame, round nylon corners, have no sharp, safe and comfortable for classroom, home and playroom. Sturdy marker tray and free accessories. Removable integrated aluminium marker tray, perfect organizer for school, home and office. Easy installation, fixing kits included, free position mounting design, making it easy mounted on walls. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Please feel free to contact us if you have any issues with your JILoffice products. Our customer service team will try our best to help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.